Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a pregnancy update. I am posting two today because I didn't want to post my 30-week update and kind of leave you guys hanging, make you guys think that I went into labor or something, because I was kind of like panicking a little bit about the whole contraction situation, which is still going on. But I had my OB appointment and I had my high risk appointment, and they let me know that it's totally normal to have them feel a little bit more intense, like the Braxton Hicks, especially because right now I'm having some like cramping. Hi! Because I'm having some cramping, so it feels a little bit more intense. It's not really the Braxton Hick that's getting more intense. It's the Braxton Hick plus having like some cramping, so it just feels a little bit more intense. And the babies are lower, so it's bound to happen that it's gonna feel a little bit more painful, I guess. It's not like painful, but it's just kind of like, can't explain it. But it happens quite often, and I'm jealous of the people that don't get Braxton Hicks contractions, because I'm a wimp and I hate anything to do with pain or uncomfortableness, and that's the last thing I want right now, especially the last few weeks. I just want to enjoy my last few moments with Hudson alone and with Court alone, and not have to worry about feeling like poo. So pretty much in my 30-week update, I let you guys know that I was so sleep deprived, which is still how it's going. I'm feeling like a crazy person. I did recently make an Instagram post. I'm not sure if you guys are following me. Hi.
Bye.
Bye. I love you. If you guys aren't following me, it's in the description box so you guys can see what my Instagram post was. I just was a little bit more open about my pregnancy, depression situation. I feel like a lot of people out there that are pregnant sometimes hide the ways that they're feeling, but they're feeling weird, if that makes any sense. Like they just feel hormonal, they feel off, they don't feel themselves. Obviously, when you're pregnant, you're super hormonal, but for me, I just feel like I feel really like foggy this pregnancy, and I just feel so sad and just kind of like hopeless, if that makes any sense. So yeah, you'll have to go and see my Instagram post. I just kind of explain how I'm feeling, and yeah, I don't really make posts like that because I like to show my glamorous side, like what my post said. I like to not show my sad side or anything like that. Hi, I love you. Bye. Love you. I like to show not like a bad side, you know what I mean? And I feel like that's how a lot of people are on Instagram and social media, and I feel like I've been open in a lot of my videos, and I've cried a lot, and I've just been more open, which I think has I don't even know how to explain it, but I feel like a lot more people understand, and they are more interested because it's more real when somebody is vulnerable or cries or gives the real side instead of only the glamorous side. And that's kind of just like how I've been trying to just like be more real and open, and I feel like I've done a pretty good job at that this pregnancy, but I don't know. Anyways, you'll have to check out my post. Yeah. So anyways, I've felt okay other than the Braxton Hicks. I'm really, really tired. I feel like I'm not getting hardly any sleep at all, and I'm such a worrywart. Hi. Hi. I love you too. Bye. I'm such a worrywart, and I hate having my babies away from me, like across the hallway, which Hudson sleeps across the way from me. And so I think that I just get extra anxiety, acid reflux, during the night. And so I feel like I'm always checking on him and stuff. And just always making sure the doors are locked. I'm just always like so, I don't know. I'm always worrying about something in the middle of the night. I've just been so like sleep deprived. That's like pretty much it. I've noticed my chest have been leaking a little bit, so maybe my milk is starting to kind of come in a little bit more. It's already been in since Hudson, but I mean, I haven't like done any like breastfeeding or anything like that, so hopefully it comes in. I have decided, I keep on going back and forth with either nursing or with formula feeding, and I think I want to try a little bit of both, but I don't really want to do like the full-on nursing and spending like tons and tons of time nursing. I think I want to do like pumping, and so me and Court are both kind of like feeding the babies together, if that makes sense. So yeah, we'll see what happens, and then formula feeding too, so that'll be good. Also, I am seeing my OB once a week now, which is nice. I get to see the babies, and that's always nice. They are moving all of the time. That's probably another reason why I don't sleep at night. Our families are buying their plane tickets, and things are just getting more real. I've only got like 5 weeks, 4 days left. So it's crazy to think that they're coming so soon. I don't feel fully prepared. I'm gonna like get emotional. I just feel like I am still, like I need more time, if that makes sense. Like I'm really anxious to have them come because of the way I've been feeling, and I just want my emotions to go back to normal, but at the same time I'm like, oh my gosh, I'm just like not ready for them to be here because I just am so worried that what if I'm not gonna be a good mom? It's just gonna be hard, you know? Courtney's so busy with work, and I always worry about everything. That's just me. But really nothing else. The past week has been going on. I will keep you guys updated. When I go into labor, I will definitely be filming. I will be letting you guys know everything because I want you guys to see that whole experience. I did get a photographer and a videographer, so that will be so exciting. I'm really, really excited for you guys to see that. She's gonna do such a good job. But yeah, we're getting close. 5 weeks, 4 days. I can't believe how close we're getting. It's insane. I'm gonna end this video with a belly shot because I think a lot of people say that I don't do belly shots, but I do at the end of all my videos. I'm having a rough time. Like I don't fit in anything. I have to wear Quartz t-shirts and they're barely fitting me. But here is the big kahuna. So big. If you guys are curious, I use Palmer's. That is the belly. It's huge. I can't believe how big it's getting. It's insane. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.